assembling doors, gluing up panels, or constructing cabinet boxes, applying pressure without distorting the parts is critical. Ordinary bar clamps can flex when pressure is applied, causing the panel to bend also. BESSEY's K Body REVO bar clamps are specifically designed to avoid this problem. The jaw faces remain parallel to each other even under pressure, which means accurate clamping anywhere on the jaw face, resulting in dead flat panels and doors. Down low against the bar or raised up above it, the clamping pressure remains parallel, which means the clamps can be applied where needed for maximum effectiveness. And the usefulness of parallel clamps does not end with flat panel work. They are favored by cabinet makers and furniture builders because the parallel jaws tend to keep assemblies square and true. The K Body REVOs feature the 2K ergonomic handle, which allows for applying up to 1,500 pounds of clamping force evenly across the face of the jaws. Even when clamping long parts, the clamping force is maintained parallel to the bar, allowing even cumbersome parts to be assembled with ease. The removable pressure caps on the faces of the jaws resist collecting glue and can be replaced if they get damaged. Every K-body comes with a pair of rail protection pieces that help to keep squeeze out off the rails during glue-ups. Building boxes, assembling doors, or clamping up panels, BESSEY's K Body REVO parallel clamps will keep things aligned when the pressure's on. That's why they've come to be known as cabinet makers clamps.